on the broadcast, the patriarch of the entire Fogart wrestling clan. Thank you, Mahavir ji, for joining us on CNN News 18. काफ विनेश ने एक सच हिस्टोरिक इवेंट मोमेंट इस पूरे देश को दिया है, सिल्वर मेडल अश्योर हो गया है। आप क्या सहमत है कि देश के पास अब गोल्ड मेडल आएगा ही?
बिल्कुल, मुझे पूरा विश्वास है। जो जापान की लड़की जो पहली फाइट थी इसकी, जो उसमें जो गोल्ड मेडल का फैसला हो गया था, दो लड़के आज तक कभी हारी नहीं, और उसको जो ओलंपिक गोल्ड मेडलिस्ट है उसको इसने जो हराया है, तो तभी जो गोल्ड मेडल की दावेदार हो गई थी। और मुझे पूरी आस उम्मीद है, और देश को उम्मीद थी, इसको 2016 में उम्मीद थी, और 20 में इसका चोट लगी थी, 16 में 20 में ऐसी हरकत हो गई थी। अब की बार जो 2024 में ये बोल के की थी, मैं अब की बार जो गोल्ड मेडल के लेके आऊंगे, और वो गोल्ड मेडल के नजदीक है। कल इसके जो है वो आपने जो है वो सुनने को मिल जाएगा। अभी जो है विनेश फोगाट ने एक ही तिहार से दिया है।
महावीर जी, अगर हम देखें पिछले महीने जो भी सारे इवेंट्स हुए हैं, काफ़ी संघर्ष रह चुका है। विनेश जी और बाकी रेसलर्स ने भी काफ़ी डिमांड्स प्रोटेस्ट किया था, काफ़ी डिमांड्स सामने रखे थे कि उन्हें बेटर फैसिलिटीज़ चाहिए थी, बेटर अकाउंटेबिलिटी चाहिए थी अथॉरिटी से, लेकिन देश को सर्व करने का जज्बा कभी नहीं गया।
देखिए, जो ये फेडरेशन है उसने जो काफ़ी जो खराब रखा है इनका, न मेहनत करने पाई, ने कुछ धरना प्रदर्शन किया। तो ये जो ब्रजभूषण के मुंह पर तमाचा है, रेसलिंग फेडरेशन को इंडिया का अध्यक्ष था ब्रजभूषण, उसके मुंह पर ये तमाचा है, और मेरी बेटी ने तमाचा मार के दिखा दिया। अभी हम कुछ भी कर सकते हैं।
जी महावीर जी, और ये भी बताइए, जब आप ट्रेन करते हैं एथलीट्स, विनेश की तरह जो एथलीट्स हैं जिनको आप ट्रेन करते हैं, अब ऐसे बाउट्स में जाना, हम देख रहे थे 5-0 उन्होंने अपने क्यूबन रेसलर को ऐसे डिफीट किया था। इसमें टैलेंट और स्ट्रैटेजी का कितना मायना रखता है? टैलेंट तो है ही विनेश फोगाट के पास, आपने उन्हें ट्रेन किया है, पर कितनी स्ट्रैटेजी लगती है ऐसी डिसाइसिव विक्ट्री पाने के लिए?
देखिए, जो मेहनत करती है, जिसने जो कितने जो 3 और तीसरा ओलंपिक था, और एशियन गेम में गोल्ड मेडल लिए, कॉमनवेल्थ में गोल्ड मेडल, इसका जो तजर्बा भी हो रहा है, इसका जो लड़ने का जो भय था, जो किसी जो ओलंपिक जो गेम लड़ता है उस टाइम प्लेयर के ऊपर बहुत ज्यादा दबाव पड़ता है। क्यों हिंदुस्तान के जो मान सम्मान के जो मेडल का वो सवाल होता है, तो उस दबाव से भी जो मेहनत करके होगी।
महावीर जी, और अभी उनका कल है फाइनल मैच यूनाइटेड स्टेट्स का के रेसलर के खिलाफ, उनका गोल्ड का मैच है। आप क्या सहमत है कि विनेश ने जो परफॉर्मेंस दिखाई है, आप कह रहे हैं वर्ल्ड नंबर 1 जापान के रेसलर को उन्होंने हराया, नाउ 5-0 उन्होंने सेमीफाइनल में जीत गए, क्या हमारे पास गोल्ड अश्योर्ड है?
बिल्कुल निश्चित है। जो 2 ओलंपिक पीछे गए उनके, हमें जो हिंदुस्तान की आज से गोल्ड मेडल की, और अब की बार जो है कल जो है वो बेटी जो है उसको हिंदुस्तान को लेकर दे देगी, मेरा पूरा विश्वास है।
Thank you, Mahavir Fogart, the patriarch of the Fogart wrestling clan, saying that he is clear that the gold is coming back home. Also, I'm joined by Crispin Walia as well as Shivani Gupta on the broadcast. Shivani, also, he's making that political point as well, saying that despite all the hurdles that were put before Vinesh, serving the nation was never far from her mind.
You know, Vinesh has been very single-mindedly focused on winning an Olympic medal. And I think for a very long time, it was her belief and everybody else's belief in the wrestling world that she is a contender for a wrestling gold. You know, she's won multiple times at the Commonwealth stage. She's an Asian champion. She has won a couple of medals at the World Championships as well. And last time around, she was one of our big hopes for the gold medal. But for that tear that she suffered in her knee, and, you know, she had to be stretchered off in the quarters, and it was a very painful event for her, both physically and metaphorically. She has been still very single-mindedly focused on winning an Olympic medal, and possibly nothing short than a gold. She believes she's a gold contender. Everybody around her believes she's a gold contender, and she's proving that right. When, you know, her run-up, she must have learned a lot as far as her fitness, as far as her training, as far as her, you know, precautions during and before the Olympics is concerned from her last experience. And she was obviously very determined to focus on that and not let any distractions affect her. It didn't quite go to plan because there were distractions as far as the whole wrestling federation fiasco is concerned. And she was one of the faces of the protest against Brij Bhushan Sharan. They had to do a lot. They had to protest on the streets. They had to sit on dharna. But then eventually there was a consensus between the sports ministry, the wrestling federation, and the wrestlers themselves that, all of this can go on separately as the legal case is currently on and the police has filed a charge sheet as well. But the wrestlers should not forego their training, etc. So, with the Sports Authority of India and the sports ministry, there was a consensus, and therefore the training of all of these wrestlers has been taken care of. Subsequently, Vinesh has been very focusedly training ahead of the Olympics. And it is the result of that training, plus, of course, the talent that you're talking about. She was recognized very early on as somebody who can win an Olympics medal for India. Mm-hmm. And she's had to wait for quite some time. This is her third Olympics. She was the gold contender last time around, and she's, had a heartbreak injury during the Olympics. And this time she's hopefully, fingers crossed, making up for that lost opportunity.
Right. And Shivani, was that message that she is gunning for the gold sent out after she defeated the gold medalist Suzuki of Tokyo, who not only was the gold medalist, she's a 4-time world champion and had an unbroken streak of 82 international wins. But then she lost to Vinesh Phogat 2-3 in that opening bout. Do you think that set the tone that Vinesh Phogat is headed for a gold?
Absolutely. Like I said earlier, she possibly had her toughest match in the very first match. It would have been very easy for Vinesh Phogat to come into that first match against someone who hadn't lost an international match ever in her career and say, okay, even if I lose, then nobody can really say anything. Nobody can hold it against her, which would have been the case. But it takes special belief and focus and confidence to say that, no, I'm going to be the first person, the first opponent to beat, this legendary Japanese player. She managed to do that. She managed to actually turn around that bout in the final few seconds. So not giving up till the very end is also a mark of a champion. And I think from there on, she would have felt so confident in her, in herself, that the subsequent bouts, they weren't of the same challenge, wrestling-wise, but you still have to take every bout as it comes. Wrestlers play 2 to 3 bouts in a single day, and you have to keep your focus about you. You have to, keep your eye on the target. And every opponent there has come there to be in the final, right? They're all there competing to be in the final and competing for the gold. So you can't take anybody lightly. But I think given the pedigree that Vinesh Phogat has, once she beat Japanese defending champion, it was going to be increased belief on her part that, okay, this is now looking like, a gold that I shouldn't miss out on. And the final is, again, I think it's going to be an opportunity for Vinesh to really crystallize what could be one of the greatest comebacks in sporting history, and also, write history for India, because we've not had many gold medalists, individual gold medalists. We've had Abhinav Bindra, we've had Neeraj Chopra. Neeraj Chopra is a contender again, as he has shown one more time. And to be a contender for a gold in an individual category at the Olympics is not an opportunity that we get very often as Indians. So I think Vinesh truly has a golden chance to rewrite history and to become the first Indian female to win a gold medal. She will also become the first Indian wrestler to win a gold medal if she succeeds, because the past best performances are silvers by Ravi Dahiya and Sushil Kumar. We obviously have PV Sindhu, who's won a silver before as an Indian woman. She was in the final in Rio in badminton singles. But Vinesh is the first woman since then to get to, an Olympic final, and to be able to gun for gold, I think is a glorious opportunity for her. And I really do think that this is her gold to lose.